Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because we're going to be doing an unboxing video for Rossi Nails. And if you're not familiar with the company, I will leave their link in the description box below so you can check them out. But basically they sell a lot of really beautiful dip powders. They have gel polish and they also have poly gel as well. So this video is sponsored. They sent this to me in the mail so that I could review it. So in this video, I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing. We're just gonna see what we got. And then in the next video, I'm actually going to apply it to my nails. So let's go ahead and open our mystery box up. And on the side, we have the directions here and their social media. This is super cute. So let's see what we have inside. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. And let's see what color powder we got. It's pink and it's glitter. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Do you see that? This is so cute. Okay. So let's get the rest of the stuff out here. I don't want to rip the box. I'm trying to be careful. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we have base coat. And then we have the activator and top coat. So base coat, activator, and top coat. And this is the powder. This is really cute. I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video here, and in the next video I'm gonna be doing my nails. So if you want to see how my manicure turns out, then go ahead and click the link in the description box, because I'm also gonna add the link to the next video in the description box as well. So thanks so much for watching my video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.